subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Moto G73 with quite premium looking design, and it was first introduced back in January this year in the European market. Now talking about the specifications. The Moto G73 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90% screen to body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 930 chipset, paired with IMG BXM8 256 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G73 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses one 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, along with the 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 180° field of view. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W turbo power charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.42 by 73.84 by 8.29mm, and it weighs around 181 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Moto G73 5G has been priced in India at 18,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 16 in midnight blue and lucent white color option. So what do you guys think of this Moto G73 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog tips and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.